Rex is a company that delivers on its promises and commitments. We've certainly got a lot of work to do in the next 12 months, but for us that focus is very much around funding, putting in place parts of that funding and releasing that information to the market as soon as possible so that people understand that this is a project that will be funded, that we will be producing from the last quarter of calendar 2015, and that we do have a very strong life in front of us in terms of a 15-year mine life. And outside of that, within our existing exploration licence, there are 50 highly prospective targets that we will start to aggressively look at as we get through funding and start to build the plant. And all of those don't have to turn up another hillside, but if we can find something that simply funds its own cutback, that simply funds a haul road into hillside, we can increase the life at hillside, we can potentially bring in higher grade and or reduce the costs. So we think we're in a very good position as we move forward. Thank you.